Alright, good afternoon everyone. At tayo dadako naman tayo sa 3x3 Women's Basketball. This is the battle between Valenzuela City versus our San Juan. Good luck, ladies. Ayan. Unfortunately, tayo nakakuha ng unang panalo kanina. Ang standing natin ay 0-1. Hoping na makuha natin ang laban na ito kontra sa Valenzuela City. Good luck. Let's go. Official time tayo and score
1 minute 37 seconds. 1:37.
Nandito po sa area. Konti-oras na po. Pinahin lang namin yung bata kasi magtutulog dito rin. Mga pa, sinahin nila sa sobrang dami ng population ng Sentral. At pagka konti-oras na po, makikita po yung mga
18-6 with 1:03.
Look.
1 minute.
Oh, madulas. Oh, madulas ang ating
Binibigyan ng bola, ayaw dito boy eh.
oh, madulas ang ating ring. Ang court.
Foul, blue.
Hirap ang ating mga ladies.
43
Yes, a three.
seconds.
1. 2 points para San Juan. Let's go. Yes, a 3.
35 seconds. Sige, go. Diretso.
Yes. Kinaldag, rebound ng San Juan. Let's go. Tansok, 4-3. No.
25 seconds. 10 to shoot.
Short. Out of bounds.
Out of bounds. San Juan ball. 10 seconds. Late by Lincoln. 6 seconds.
Foul ng Valenzuela. First team foul.
Foul ang Valenzuela.
1 free throw.
Congratulations, Mandaluyong.
Steal.
Score 3-0 in favor of
Get
San
a
Juan.
shot. 2-0, di ba? Coach!
Saysay! Pwesto! Sando! Nakiusap nga ako sa mga coaches para makapagkita kayo maayos. Kaya pagkita na kayo.
Di ba tayo?
and 28 seconds.
Ano na score ba? 2-0, 2-0. Ah, 3?
3-0.
Ah.
Then 2 points.
Okay. 3-0 sa atin.
Wala ko sa kapila ko.
Hey, coach. Thank you.
Sigaw mo si Sarah, roll hard. Mga din.
No good. Oopsie.
Score 3-0 in favor of San Juan.
Basket para sa Valenzuela. Hands up. Ooh. Fake.
Sa labas, may pinakos natin.
5 to shoot.
Nice pass. Ooh, that's foul.
Foul on Valenzuela. Second team foul. Not clear. San Juan ball. Violation. Time to shoot.
Ooh, basket. 3-2.
Time to shoot.
Oh, steal.
Jana na go, Jana!
Shot clock 2 seconds. One.
Push!
It's a shot clock violation. Traveling violation.
Traveling violation. San Juan ball.
That's a foul. Adulas, coach. Kanina pa sila. Adulas.
Foul on Valenzuela. Third team foul. Five to shoot.
Gets a 3. Uy, short. Rebound. Number 14. Ooh.
Traveling violation.
Another traveling
Valenzuela ball.
violation.
Five to shoot.
Shot clock violation.
Time remaining 6 minutes and 18 seconds.
6 minutes and 18 seconds.
Official score 3-2 in favor of San Juan.
Gets a 3. Bang! 2 points. Babawi sa 3. Wala. Trapas.
5 to shoot.
Wala. Meset. Rebound. Wala.
8 to shoot.
2 points.
Score 5-4 in favor of San Juan.
Gana! Gana! Hindi na mag-itch pag alam matutulas sa taas.
Five to shoot.
Short.
Time remaining 5 minutes and 14 seconds. Time out. Valenzuela.
Time out. Valenzuela. Naman po tayo, coach, lang isa. 5-4. Alam mo tayo. So, this is it. Okay, back to the ball game.
Sa D.O. Partial pa naman. Push mo, Sara!
Oopsie. Anong oras na lang, coach? Ano?
Come on, Sara!
Prep. Ooh, hold. All 5.
Open!
Bad pass.
5 seconds to shoot.
5 seconds to
5
shoot.
seconds.
Come on, Sara! Sara! Move, Sara!
Oh, no good. Take it. Short. Oh, change favor.
Sara!
Missed. Let's go. Kaya pa yan, isa lang yan.
Sara, galaw ka! Sara!
Gets a 3. Ooh, in and out.
8 to shoot. 3.
Dulas talaga. Gets a rebound outside. Ay pa yan, halap. Isa lang yan.
Go, Sarah!
Score 9-5 in favor of
9-5.
Venezuela. 5 seconds to shoot.
2 points pa lang kanina. Let's go. Dulas talaga yan. Court.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 22 seconds.
3 minutes and 22.
Push mo!
8 seconds to shoot.
Sarah!
Basket. Let's go. 3-point lead for Valenzuela. Uy! Out. Ooh! Kickball. Ayun na, nagagawa na. Out of bounds. Gets a 3. Bang! Isa na lang. 9-8.
Go, Sarah!
Wala. Ooh. 10-8. Let's go. Gets a foul.
Foul of Venezuela. 14 foul. Score 10-8 in favor of Venezuela.
Uy, galaw!
4-3. Bang! All tayo. Tabla ng 10. Let's go. Defense.
Go, Sarah!
Defense.
5 to shoot.
Gets a 3. Ooh.
Not clear.
Go, go.
San Juan ball.
Laban. Oras, rep. Ayun na, number 4. Crossover. Gets a foul.
Foul of Venezuela. 15 foul.
Penalty. Penalty.
Time
Yeah.
remaining 2 minutes. and
That's a
4
penalty.
seconds.
Sarah, box out!
Sure ball, man.
Our score 10-all.
Sure ball. And change favor. Mga tayo ng isa. Defense. Gets a 3. Miss. Good defense. Number 14. Bawi sa 3. Ooh. Let's go, defense. Uy.
Shoot.
Wala. Rebound. Let's go. Ooh. Good defense.
Time remaining 1 minute and 42 seconds.
1 minute and 42 seconds left.
Official score 11-10 in favor of
Oy, walang tawag ang ating referee. Good. Outside game. It's an outside.
San Juan ball.
Let's go, San Juan. Time out.
Time out.
Go aside, mainit.
San Juan.
Mainit.
Box out.
Let's go, time out.
Time remaining 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Oh, but guys, a foul. Nice foul.
Foul on Valenzuela. 6-team foul.
One more foul. Isa pa, Lauren!
Number 14. Ayun na. Running shot, too strong. Oy, good defense. Oh, tabla. Oh, Lord. Let's go, San Juan. Come on.
5 to shoot.
Number 8, block from behind. Miss it. Rebound. Let's go. 4-3. Oopsie.
Lauren, isa pa!
Time remaining 53 seconds. On 11.
Let's go. Too strong, yes sir. Rebound, let's go, atake. Let's go. Yes, a 3. Miss. Ah, too strong.
Let's go, Sarah!
Let's go.
To shoot.
Come on, Lauren!
Time remaining 25 seconds. 5 to shoot. Foul on Valenzuela. 7-team foul.
Two free throws ang naka-score, panalo. 11. Shot clock.
Ooh, okay lang. Let's go. Take time.
11 all the score.
25 seconds. Salang. Come on. Ah, uy. Let's go.
Eto na, ang push play.
Defense.
Wala pa
Angat,
rin.
rebound, number 8. Pagkakataon, last touch sa atin.
Lauren, atake!
13 seconds. 13
Ala,
seconds.
Last shot!
13 seconds. Let's go.
Last ball.
Last shot, Lauren!
Let's go, San Juan.
Shot clock, 9 seconds.
9 seconds. Shot clock to shoot.
Primo penalty!
5 seconds.
Oh, bad pass.
7
Defense.
seconds. 5.
Oh, let's go. Out. Oh! And that's the end of our game.
Congratulations,
Grabe,
Valenzuela.
sobrang intense na laban na yun.
12-11. Grabing laban.
What a good game. What a good fight for our team.
Pinaganda ang laban.
Sabi natin atake.
Again, congratulations, Valenzuela.
Congratulations, Valenzuela, and nice game. Nice game.
Medic. Tulong daw, medic.
Get well soon po.